As the holiday season approaches, we at San Juan Pools have a special treat for you. Introducing the Phoenix, a stunning Grecian pool shape with a unique twist. The Phoenix is more than just a pool, it's a modern marvel. Designed for those who love to think outside the box, this fiberglass beauty is part of our coveted Grecian pool category. The Phoenix takes the classic rectangle and adds a splash of creativity, bending its ends into an elegant bell shape. It's all in the design. Combining a graceful Grecian shape with a sport bottom hopper, the Phoenix presents a layout that's like a mirror, reflecting the sky and your joyous moments. It's not just a pool, it's a masterpiece in your backyard. The Phoenix is your perfect companion. It's ideal for entertaining large groups, ensuring that every guest has a spot in the fun. Imagine the laughter and excitement as you play water volleyball or basketball in its spacious embrace. Our fiberglass design promises durability and endless fun, making every gathering memorable. San Juan Fiberglass Pools is the oldest manufacturer of fiberglass swimming pools and spas in the United States.